Hey folks, I wanted to do a quick video for you today. This is Mark with Inbound Revenue. As you know, I'm going to walk you through the local competition in the Atlanta area in the auto glass niche. These are the keywords that we used: auto glass repair, windshield replacement, windshield repair, windshield replacement near me, auto glass repair near me, windshield repair near me. And we included Safelite because that often shows up, but it didn't in this particular location. So let's see, we ran this for 24 hours, and at peak we only had about 5 or 6 advertisers running ads at any one time. So my assessment there is that this market is pretty wide open. Let me take a look at the advertisers, and we'll take a look at the top 2 advertisers in this space. So if we sort by number of ad count during the 24-hour period, Autoglass Now is the winner. Let's see who they are. Autoglass Now, same day service, done in 30 minutes. They are a national, or at least not a local advertiser, because you see find a location. Let's take a look at their landing page. I don't know if they're a lead gen site or if they're a franchise. Find a location. So yeah, they're all over the place. So that's not a local one, but they were the leading advertiser in that space, which always makes it a little more challenging when you have a company from outside come in and advertise in your niche. But that happens. Let's take a look at the ads for, I can't say that, Autoglass. Let's take a look at their ads. Same day, next day service. No numbers, no offers, but the same day service is good. They do have extensions. Let's take a look at their landing page. Okay, it's just the home page of their website. They are advertising. I would do something different. I would throw a car and a list of services and locations up here. But hey, there's a picture of 2 dudes. That's cool. And then it's just their website, as you can see. So my assessment, after a quick review, is that the Atlanta windshield replacement, glass replacement market is wide open for an aggressive Google Ads advertiser that wants to grow their company. That's the end of this video. Check back for more. If you're looking for landing pages with call tracking, lead tracking set up that you can use for yourself, for your clients, for only $99 a month, leave us a comment. Check us out at inboundrevenue.com. I'm Mark Kelly. Have a great day.